In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create your floral wreath craft kit. To begin, ensure the wreath is facing the correct way with the leaves rotating in a clockwise direction. To apply colour to the wreath, lightly swipe your green ink pad directly onto the wood. Use light pressure to build up colour and work in the same direction as the wood grain. Gradually make your way around the wreath. As we laser cut all of our wooden shapes from the finest Scandinavian birchwood, there's no need to prime before inking. Once you have coloured the entire wreath, let the ink dry for 20 to 30 minutes. Next, position your Liberty flowers so that they match up with the flowers on the wreath base. Then apply a small dot of PVA glue to the reverse side, the wooden side, of each flower and then press into place on the wooden wreath. The glue is fast drying, but there will be some time to reposition the flowers so that they fit perfectly on the wooden wreath. Don't worry if you apply a little too much glue, as it will dry clear. Continue to apply a small dot of PVA glue to the reverse side of each Liberty embellishment and press into place. Once you have glued down all of the embellishments, leave to dry for 20 to 30 minutes. To attach your bird to your wreath, start by cutting a length of the ribbon to 20 centimeters. Then thread the ribbon through the hole in the wooden bird. Place the bird in the centre of the wreath and feed the ribbon around the top of the wreath. Tie a knot at the top of the ribbon. With the remaining 30 centimeters of ribbon, create a hanging loop at the top of your wreath. Tie a knot to secure, and then your floral wreath decoration is complete.